Now we are going to start with our next consonant. So the next consonant we call as ch, ch sound. Okay, let's see its stroke order. So this is the first small line is this one, and then the next, which is bigger than the first one, two, and again you have to repeat the same thing which you did with jo. Okay, this is sure for you. Let's do it again. For the small line, the bigger one, and then this. Small line, bigger one, and then this. Okay, so this is ch. Let's revise it from the beginning. K, n, d, l, r, m, b, s, ng, j, ch. Now let's see the next one. That is k. Okay, so this k, we'll write it like this with just two strokes order. The first one will be this, and the second will be just this. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. That's it. Now let's see the next one. But before that, let's revise the first one. G, N, D, L, R, M, B, S, Ng, J, Ch, K. Now let's see the next one. That is th. Okay. So we'll write th like this with the 3-stroke order. So the first one will be this. Second one will be this. And the third one is this. Okay. Just how we write E in English. Okay. First is this. Then this. And then this. 1, 2, and 3. So till now, what are the consonants we have learned? G, N, D, L, M, B, S, Ng, J, Ch, K, Th. Now let's see the next one. That is P. Now let's see what is its stroke order. So we'll write it like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy, right? So till now we have learned G, N, D, L, or R, M, B, S, Ng, J, Ch, K, Th, P. Till P we have done. Now let's see what is our last consonant. So the last consonant we call H. This is our last consonant and we call it H. So there are only 3-stroke order in H. First is the small line, next is a little bigger line, and then just a circle. Small line, little bigger line, and then a circle. Easy, right? Small line, little bigger line, and then a circle. That's it. So today we have learned our 14 consonants. Those are K, N, D, L, M, B, S, Ng, J, Ch, K, Th, P, and H. Also, you can just remember this as a song. K, N, D, L, M, B, S, Ng, J, Ch, K, Th, P, H. K, N, D, L, M, B, S, Ng, J, Ch, K, Th, P, H. That's it. I hope all the consonants and the stroke order you will remember, and definitely we learn the double consonants. Also, before that, just remember we have only 5 double consonants. Okay?